Officially made it to Paris. I am tired as hell. I have horrible dark circles under my eyes. I haven't slept all night, but who gives a damn? We are in Paris, my peeps, okay? So there is no room, no time for rest in this trip. We're gonna shop, we're gonna eat, we're gonna spend all our money cause YOLO, okay? So we're gonna get ready and go eat cause I am starving. I'm in Paris, bitches! Woohoo! This is the view from our room. How gorgeous! So this is the look for walking around. I'm wearing flat boots because I just want to be comfy with my mini Kelly and a cute little blouse and like a high waist pants, and I'm taking a jacket because I know it's gonna be colder later. We're going to the restaurant right now, going to L'Avenue. There she is. She is sponsored by Dior. Thank you very much.
Oh, really? I wish.
So do I.
We do the French fries in the middle?
Yes, perfect. Val, what did you get?
Aubergine.
Val ordered aubergine. I got beef tartare, and the fries here are epic. Okay, so the French fries here are incredible. I'm so hungry, guys. I don't even have energy to shop right now. I really need to stop and eat first, but it was the right choice.
Every person could be you though. A pretty guy with a halo. But who am I kidding?
Time to hit Balenciaga. Kind of like my passion of the moment, actually. This is the one I want. I think this is too small. I like the small size. I know. You cannot even take much time to choose. I am in love. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. And in white as well. I like this. Look at this right here. This is amazing. I'm in Balenciaga heaven right now. Thank you very much. Wow, check this jacket. Look at this jacket. É muito meu gosto porque é Ed, amiga.
É muito oversize, pra mim fica...
I like. Wow, this is so cool right here. I know, this is amazing. Eu já tinha visto essa na Magazine, eu tava louca. Ela é muito high fashion, amiga. This is amazing.
Tá?
Okay, check this out. Oh my gosh. So this is actually the flagship Balenciaga boutique for the entire globe. Is the one here in Paris at Avenue Montaigne. So if you wanna check all the latest and greatest out, this is really the place to be.
Mas é que eu tô falando, se eu não achar a Bottega, eu fico com liberdade de comprar uma assim, entendeu?
Yeah, Val is trying the news, which are incredible. Like, kind of looks too ducky. I don't know, it just didn't look right. It's a shame. Next. Oh wow, this blazer, it's gorgeous. Look at the skirt. So they have two Chanel boutiques here on Avenue Montaigne. That's number 1, and this right here is number 2. Check this out. Dior is under construction, so I heard it's gonna be a couple years until they're back. So this is the Louis Vuitton Avenue Montaigne, which in my opinion is actually the best Louis Vuitton in Paris for selection. How pretty is this? Louis kills me, okay? Check this whole look. Incredible. This boutique right here is really big and has really the best selection. The one on Champs-Élysées is a huge line. I freaking hate it. Everything is sold out. And then the Vendôme one is a gorgeous boutique, but everything there is sold out. And here is our next stop, Bottega. I like this one right here. Wow, that's amazing. That's so beautiful. So Val wanted this one. No luck. This is only for pre-order, guys. Sold out. Dior kids. Oh my gosh, look at this blazer. This is perfection. Of course, you want the most popular one, but this right here, I like this one a lot. Very classic. That looks absolutely incredible. It's a must. I mean, the gold one is a little more understated, which I have this one right here. It goes with everything. This is impossible to find right now. Can't even believe we found it here. This ring is gorgeous. This is the Celine boutique, guys, right off of Avenue Montaigne as well. This is Balmain off of Rue François as well. How gorgeous is the boutique inside? Oh my gosh. Look at the bags. I am in love. Check out the dress. Wow. Não sei se eu gostei. On.
I think it's beautiful.
Yeah?
I like the heel. It changed a bit. Like,
Yeah, the heel is actually what I love about it,
yeah.
actually. It makes it very, very
The
different.
halo. But who am I kidding, please now? I gotta realize that.
I am obsessed with these pants. Look at this. Exactly what I've been looking for. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these are the boots. They're super tight though, not very comfortable at all, but they are very pretty. And this is the stunning Hermes George Sunk. How gorgeous. Oh my gosh.
É a mini. Essa é a mini.
Oh my.
É menor do que a mini.
My God, I just died, Val. This is a mini Birkin. Look at this. It's almost the size of my mini Kelly. That's insane.
Em 36, não tinha nenhuma, comprei em capa. Não tinha lugar nenhum.
36, juro que ficou pequeno em você, não? 36? Porque
Não,
36 e meio?
amazing.
Ok.
And this is the newly opened Dior right here at the Champs-Élysées. Hello. That is stunning, Val. I think that's a neutral color. I love that, right? Oh my gosh, look at this. I was dying to see this in person. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Is the blue piece that I absolutely love right here. How gorgeous is this? Let me see, Val. This is something that was on our wish list right here from the new collection. Look at the other colors. Abri ela, Val. Let's see the inside. Oh, so practical. I love this. It has blue or black as well. Look at her. So beautiful. So beautiful. Look how stunning. But guess what? Everything is already sold out. Everything is 100% gone. So disappointed. Wow, I don't even know which bag I like best. How cute are these? Oh my gosh. So adorable. Wow. So cute. And book tote. This is brand new collection. How cute is that? And check that out for travel or putting your jewelry. So cute. This is beautiful.
Because what I need to do is just...
Look at that.
Então, é que eu fui convidada para o fashion show em Miami. Então, meu vestido...
Right here with the scarabs. So pretty. And then the rings. And look at these earrings right here. So pretty. Look at this mini saddle in red. This is absolutely gorgeous. So check this out. This is a bar. I just fell backwards. There is actually a list of drinks that you can choose from. Look at that. I'm getting number 2. How fabulous. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Thank you so much.
So nice, thank you.
You're welcome.
Cheers. Oh, this is much better. The Dior Boutique on Champs-Élysées is amazing, right, Val?
Amazing.
What do you think? You liked it?
I love it, actually.
I thought the selection was really good. Guys, there were bags upon bags upon bags, like everything. So definitely, I feel like just the Dior Boutique makes a visit to the Champs-Élysées a worthwhile visit. The final fabulous stop at the Champs-Élysées is the brand new Galerie Lafayette. Oh my gosh, look at this Balenciaga. How gorgeous is this? Wow. Second floor. Check out these gorgeous bags. How beautiful. I'm so excited. Look at all the fun trinkets. I mean, stuff that tourists absolutely love, right? How amazing the sunglass area. I absolutely love these Erico bags. This is the name of the brand, Erico. But look at this. They are so pretty for going out at night. They have all the sections. So see Roger Vivier. Check this one out, how beautiful. Wow. Look at this. So they have the green Bottega couch, which is absolutely a miracle, 2,400 euros. I actually like the square one right there. Right there, I think that's very cute. How cool is this? Moving belts showcasing all the fashions for you. Look at that. These boots are to die. And so is this bag, I don't know the brand. And the Chloe bag. I love them all. Now this is an addiction that Val and I have, which is hitting the pharmacies in Paris. They're the best, guys. But you want to go to the ones that are not on the Champs-Élysées, kind of like out of the beaten path, because the deals, the prices are much, much better. All right, let's look. Ooh, right here, all of the brands we love. This is my number 1 brand here, which is Filorga. I love everything, guys. So my favorites, Sleep and Peel is a must. And then Scrub and Mask is a must. We are getting ready to go out for dinner. We are going to a very special restaurant that only opens on Tuesdays. It's a very exclusive experience. We are actually going with the manager from Dior from Miami. So very excited to go out and have fun with the group. So let me show you my outfit. I'm wearing this dress from Peterson. That has this super cool puffy sleeve, and then I put a huge statement earring, and then my Balenciaga boots, and then stockings because it's quite cold outside. But this is the look. I hope you guys like it. Guys, this was so much fun. Like, this is so much flipping fun. Totally recommend, but this is a hard spot to get in. But it is a blast. Only on Tuesdays, right, Eric?
Right.
That's right. Correction.
Only. Very
Okay.
important.
Only on
Tuesdays, come
Tuesdays.
here with the Glam Squad.
Woohoo! Glam
The
Squad,
Dior
baby.
Dynasty.
Glam
The
Squad.
Dior Dynasty.